Pantaloons. Saima, we have the most beautiful Andrea here with us. You're looking stunning. Would you like to tell us about what you're wearing?
Actually, I wasn't going to come today, so this is my backup gown. But it turned out pretty all right.
Your backup gown is literally a backup gown and it's cool. Yeah. And if this is your backup, I wonder what you're going to be coming in tomorrow.
But for this kind of weather, I think this is the right outfit.
But you're looking stunning. And tell us about being here at Saima with all the four industries coming together in Doha. How has the day been for you?
Well, Doha is really nice. I really like Doha. I've come back to Doha after a really long time. I've also come back to Saima after a really long time. So it's nice to see how both Doha and Saima have grown in the past few years. And yeah, it's nice to be back as well.
And you're performing. We're super excited about that. Are you excited as well?
Of course, I'm always excited to be on stage.
So could you tell us a little bit about your performance, like a sneak peek?
Well, I'm going to be singing live, but also, I mean, it's going to be a mix of Tamil and Malayalam for the first time that I'm trying to sing Malayalam songs on stage. So I hope I don't mispronounce any words.
Is there something that you would like to probably tell the Malayalam fans that are watching? Like probably it could just be a lyric.
Please forgive me in case I say anything wrong on stage because I love Malayalam and I love Malayalam cinema, but the words just get stuck in my mouth. So
What was the most complicated that you had to learn for this
oh
song?
my god. No, for Anayim Rasulum, I had to record a song. What was the name of the song? Kando Kando. I was almost in tears. It's like Malayalam is really difficult.
Could you sing a couple of lines for us?
No.
But thank you so much. I think it's so nice to have you back, and I think you should be a part of Saima every year as well because it's just so nice to have you here. Oh, please. She's not just the beauty in black, but she's also the beauty in back. I think it's a wonderful dress. Would you like to tell us about your outfit?
Well, I'm wearing Rajat Tangri. He's a very dear friend of mine. It's like, it's a very, I love this gown that he created. It's all hand embroidered and it's stunningly beautiful.
Just as special as you, I'm sure. But if you could tell us, I'm sure Saima red carpet is something that everybody looks forward to, right? Like even the actresses and the fans. And so how long does it take for you to decide on one look? Like, do you take a really long while?
Not at all. It was just like a 5 minutes. I knew what I was wearing in like 5 minutes. But yeah, normally I take a long time to figure out. And I always have a backup outfit and I don't know what I'm wearing till the last minute. And then I feel what I feel and I wear. But tonight I just knew because I really like this gown.
I know, and this outfit totally does not need a backup at all. Like literally doesn't need a backup. You know. But if you could tell us about your performance, because that's something that everybody looks forward to
I love being on stage. I love Saima. But Saima is also really famous for its after parties. So I thought, why not bring after party on stage? So it's like my little party on stage. It's like Saima after party, but before Saima after party. So it's like, yeah.
So which is your favorite track out of the ones that you're dancing to this
You
time?
will find out.
Really?
I'll help you out. I mean, all my tracks are in all different languages. So, yeah.
Isn't that what Shreya is as well? I mean, you've worked in all of these languages and we just absolutely love you.
Fun to have tracks which, you know, so people from in the audience, all of them can connect to it because it's supposed to be a party track.
Nice. So we're also here to talk about Jio Savan. So in 2019, what was like the most played song in your playlist? Like what was your absolute favorite, if you could tell us?
Absolute favorite. 2019. I think I was listening to Apna Time Aayega. I love that song.
Would you like to sing a couple of lines?
I can't sing like that. Like,
It's just rap though, right? Like it's just like talking.
no, I can't do it.
You can't see, you almost got it. Like, come on.
Apna Time. What was the आगे का line क्या था? Apna Time. Apna Time. No, I can't do it, man.
But it's okay. That's fine. We love her just for that. Thank you. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful evening.